Hi everyone. In this video, we will learn how to add a line under text in MS Word. First, go to the Home tab and click on Borders. From the drop-down menu, select Borders and Shading. Here you can choose the style of the line. You can also change the color. Let's change it to red. You can adjust the width of the line as well. From the Settings section on the left, you will see options like None, Box, Shadow, 3D, and Custom. Select Custom. On the right side, you will see the preview. Here, remove the top left and right borders and keep only the bottom border. Now click OK. You will see a line added under the text. This method can be used for signatures, headings, or important text. To learn more useful MS Word tutorials, watch my other videos.